Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use CHOOSEROWS function in Microsoft Excel. For example, I have this data for students, there's mark sheet, okay? For example, I want to select a data for a specific student. For example, the titles, specific student, student number 5 and number 7. How I can do it? Just come to here, equal sign, choose rows, okay? Then select all the data, comma, this one, title, it's 1, okay, comma, Muhammad, it's 4, because first one is not included, so this one 4. For example, this one, it is 6, and so on. Just enter. You see? Let me fix this with this. Okay. Directly, it selects all the data you selected. Let me make it to the center, apply border, and so on. That's the way to use CHOOSEROWS function in Microsoft Excel. That's all. Have a nice time.